Hello everyone, I'm Eric Alsaus. I'm a visual arts teacher at the Lawrence High School, and today I'm going to show you an Art Smart video of how to draw a tessellation. You're going to need a few pieces of paper, a pencil, a ruler, and a pair of scissors. All right, here we go. Oh yeah, you're also going to need anything that can make you a circle. I'm using this old paint cup. Okay, here we go. Our first goal is to make a hexagon. And to make a hexagon, you need to know how to make a circle. So I'm going to trace a perfect circle right here on this piece of paper. So I have my circle. Now I want to divide it in half. Okay, I want to figure out exactly where the middle is. Okay, mine is 3.5 inches, so 1 3/4, right around there. Do the same thing. Right here, the very middle. Okay, so that's the center. So I draw a line right through the middle. Then I take my circle one more time. Remember? Oh yeah, here we go. Then I have to make the edge of my circle hit the center of the circle. Try to have half on one side and half on the other and trace. Do the same thing with your circle. Now I'll have like a basketball shape or a tennis ball. I want to do the exact same thing. Do it again, one more time. Trace this circle into your other circle, right through the center. You will create a shape that looks like this. Okay, from here, you now have 6 marks. You have 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, 4 points, 5, and 6. Now you have a hexagon. And to make it into a hexagon, you take your ruler and you connect these dots. So connect the dots. A hexagon means 6 sides. As you can see, now I've made a hexagon, a perfect hexagon, because you need it to be, and I will start to cut. Okay? Cut out your hexagon as best you can right on the lines. Okay, you get the idea? You will get a hexagon, just like this, that fit in my old shape. Okay, now, you want to measure the hexagon. How far is it from one edge to the other? Every person is going to have a different one, but mine is 3 inches exactly across from one edge to the next. So, I want to take a blank piece of paper now and make lines every 3 inches. And I already started also. Every 3 inches. So always make 2 sets of marks. Line up your ruler, make a mark, do it again, make a mark, and now connect them, which I did here. Now you want to take your shape and place it inside. Ultimately, I'm trying to make this tessellation illusion. But first, I want to take my shape and start tracing it into the space available. Now, no one's a robot and no one's perfect, so do your best to trace these shapes. Follow your guidelines you made with your ruler. I will show you when I'm done. So that's one. And then the next one, oh, you want to make, my bad, you want to make more lines. In between these lines, you need little halfway lines. Little guidelines for myself. Draw these really lightly. You don't want them to show up later. Okay, now this next shape goes right here. Where that one ended, this one begins. Use the lines on your shape to keep you going. Okay, then the next one goes right here. Okay, hold it still, trace it out, do it again, right here. Keep tracing until you fill your whole page. It'll fill all the space. A tessellation is a shape that has no extra or wasted space at all. There's no extra space not used here. Everything will be used. Once you make the shape, the rest of it is not so difficult. Okay, now take a marker, any kind, and draw over the edges of these shapes. Not everywhere, just where the cube will be. You're going to make a cube, so there, in between these two hexagons. You want to draw an outline, or basically around every hexagon you have made. Okay, and then around these edges, use your ruler. We got a ruler for a reason. Use it. Okay, connect these dots. Connect these ones. Okay, now turn your page, connect these. Sometimes I'm not drawing exactly over the pencil edge, but I'm just going to make my own edge now. Connect these and these. This is the same shape of a beehive, the honeycomb. Connect these. Okay, good enough. Yeah, I'll finish this last one. I missed two. How could I? Okay, from here, now you have a very similar thing that I have going on, but I've gone one more step further. Now you want to make all of these into cubes. To do that, okay, you might want to use the marker. Okay, all you have to do is continue this line all the way until it hits the middle. For example, let's do this one. It goes to the center and stops. Then it goes the other direction. Now it goes from the center up that way. Now let's draw the middle of the cube. Okay, now I have one cube. And I want to do that for each cube now. So take a little bit of time, make the cube. Each cube, three-dimensional cube, is made of 3 diamonds. That's what you have to do now. And then you color them in and you'll get your illusion, your tessellation illusion. There's so many types. There's so many videos on YouTube on how to make a tessellation. It's a really cool way to have math and art meet together. It's really kind of complicated for your brain. Take some thinking. It's a really complicated shape that you've made with a circle and your hexagon that you've cut out. For example, I recommend you color all the same sides dark. Maybe I'll make these black. Okay, I'm going to draw really fast for time. Okay, these ones are black. All of these ones are black. Okay, I'll stop there. Now let's make a gray part. Okay, maybe this side is the gray one. I'll use my pencil. I won't make it as dark as the black one. Okay, you could color them any way you want. Now they look like they're coming right out at you. For this one, I use blues. For this one, I just use all black and whites. All you need is a circle, a ruler, some math skills, a pencil, and some paper. Thank you for joining us. Until then, from all of us here, happy drawing.